Man, who would have thought that pork and sumac went so well together? This was amazing. So first we cooked the bone-in pork roast in direct heat until it hit 125 Fahrenheit. Cut it up into pork chops. Saved the juices for later. We put the pork chops back on the charcoal for that kiss of fire. Chopped them all up and then mixed all those pieces back into the drippings that we saved from earlier. Then we used some Afghan bread with a little bit of olive oil, water, and salt mix on the plancha.
Oh, wow.
And then we just lathered the bottom of that bread with some delicious labneh that we mixed with a bit of garlic, a good amount of sumac, dill, and then topped it up with some pork and a yummy fattoush for a little bit of extra sumac kick. Oh my God.
This is going to be awesome.
Cheers.
Again, who cares about the wine when it's this good?
Oh, what did you do to the pita chips? I didn't have crispy pita chips when I did my test run this weekend.
A little bit of olive oil in a frying pan, low heat. Wait till the olive oil gets hot, but don't let it smoke. Fry the pita chips in there. Not long, 20 seconds. And half of them just got a little dusting of salt. The other half, za'atar spices.
It's good. It's not great. It's
No,
good.
yeah, I'm not falling off my chair.
A bit of a bitterness at the end.
It's like it was enhancing a little too much the acidity and tanginess.
Cooked well, never fails. I find it's
Oh,
this is cutting through it
yes, it is.
more.
Yeah,
We say it's more complimentary.
yes, I agree.
Not complimentary. It's not like this is so damn good. You don't need any heightening.
No.
It seems to sort of cleanse your palate and prepare it for the next bite of the.
Yeah, I found the Beaujolais felt like I was having a culinary experience that was a little overwhelming on the palate because the acidity from the Beaujolais, I don't know, it was there, and that little bitterness at the end with the sumac, with the vinaigrette. It's like my palate didn't have a break. The Rhone gives me that break.
Yeah.
Oh man, that Afghan bread.
Good.
Oh, just a little bit of that mix of olive oil, water, and salt. Brush on it. Put it on the flat top.
I'll do the same thing with like Greek pita. Would work with Afghan bread. Even if you don't have a flat top, right on your barbecue.
Yep.
It's fine. What happens is like the water kind of steams up, puffs up the bread, and then
The oil
comes in.
flavors it. Done it with Greek pitas. One difference that I really like about the Afghan bread, the crust of the Afghan bread, gets that really nice, light crispiness.
But it already has that sort of light crispiness.
Mhm.
I
think the oil just wakes it up.
Like the Greek pitas, like they're thicker than the Lebanese style pitas, and they tend to have like little indentations. Almost looks like somebody went with a meat tenderizer to them, so they do soak in. But the fact they're not crispy already. If you keep them till the point they caramelize, then they turn into little, they're like frisbees. They're too hard.
Pork and sumac does work. You just can't use sumac as a cooking spice on the pork. You got to use it after.
I told you I took that just a Nagano pork chop. So I bought the individually cut pork chop. I cooked it. I dusted it with some of that sumac salt at the end. I had it with this same Beaujolais. Unbelievable. Fantastic.
I wish I had fried bigger pieces of pita like this with just a hint of za'atar spices on it and to dip it with the labneh. Oh. Fabulous. If even this could be used as a dessert apparatus, come on. For people who are fans of peanut butter,
Oh, okay.
you warm this up with the crispiness and then you just put
Peanut butter and jelly?
Peanut butter. It'd be amazing.
See what I was thinking.
And peanut butter and jelly with like sliced bananas.
Smash burger with this as the bun. Afghan smash burger.
Afghan smash burgers. I bet you it's fucking delicious.
We'll corner the market on Afghan bread.
No, seriously. That would be amazing.
Bye.